All right, good morning everybody. So me and my buddy Nick here are heading down to Dry Falls. We're going to do some waterfalls today, and Dry Falls is first on our list. It is a pretty nice waterfall from the pictures. I've never done it before, so we're going to try to get some of that. We've got our camera gear covered up where it's raining right now, and yeah, about to head on down. It sounds like it's pumping pretty good, so we'll see. But yeah, excited. New waterfalls, 3, 4, maybe 5 today, so we'll see how many we get. But let's get to it. Check that out. That is awesome. Really, really awesome. What a waterfall. Dry Falls did not disappoint today. Absolutely love this place. I got some great shots. I don't know if you can hear me over the waterfall. That's why I'm kind of screaming, but man, check that out. One thing I wanted to mention as well, it costs $3 to park here, and it's in the Nantahala National Forest. So that's 2 things I forgot to mention I wanted to mention. But we're about to head up to another waterfall, and while we're doing that, check these pictures out, guys. Hey guys, so we're out at Bridal Falls. Not a fan of it, really. I mean, it's right on the road. It's not natural looking. It's a pretty waterfall. I just hate how it's set up. I don't know. I gotta go try and figure out what to shoot. Nick's over there trying to set up a shot as well. It's kind of a hard one here. So let's see what we can get. Okay, I'm not a big fan of this waterfall. I got a few shots. My favorite's the detail shot, but pretty much the only way I like to shoot this one is on the side, 2 side shots. They've got some roadblocks up and stuff, and Yeah. Plus it sits on the side of the road, like I said before. But check these shots out, and we're moving on up to the next. All right, guys. Hey guys, so we made it out to Sunburst Falls. We left the other waterfall, went to two more. They were private property, so we moved on up. And check that out. Pretty sweet. It's starting to rain, and I'm tucked in around this bank right here trying to stay out of it, but I've set up a nice shot here. Lead you in as it tears down. And I'm going to move to the other side over here. Check it out, see what that looks like. Also like the pool of water down here. It's pretty cool too. So let me get set up. I'm gonna get some more shots and we'll get back with you. Hey guys, so we just finished Starburst Falls. Is that it? What's the name? Sunburst Falls. Oh man. It is pouring rain. We got some shots. Check them out here in a minute. But we're about to head up on the parkway and wander around it and see what we can find up there. Is that it for our waterfalls? That's it for the waterfalls. We got bummed out of two of them. Ended up getting three. I really like the first one, and I like this one. So hopefully you like these pictures. But right now we're just gonna see what we can find on the parkway. I'd like to find a nice foggy scene around the Mountains to Sea trail. That's kind of what I'm looking for now. But we'll see what we get. Pouring rain, foggy. We'll see if we get lucky. Hey guys, so I just dropped my buddy Nick off at the Pisgah Inn. That's where he's staying. Pouring rain, and we just checked the weather, and it's just this massive strip that goes from like the Texas to Canada, so it's not going to stop anytime soon. So I think I'm just going to call it a day, head on home. Got some good waterfall shots today. I'm pretty happy. Got to hang out with my buddy, and I'm just all in all good day. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, so I need to get out of here and get home. I'm about 2 hours from the house. But hope y'all enjoyed the video, checking out the waterfalls. Yeah, on to the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know below which waterfall you like the best. And talk to you later. Y'all have a great weekend.